Welcome back to another XXOTO software tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use two important features, the Add Node and Del Node functions. These tools allow you to either add new nodes to a shape or delete existing ones, making it easier to customize or adjust your designs. How to add nodes. 1. Click and hold the left mouse button to select the shape where you want to add nodes. 2. Click the Add Node function and all existing nodes of the shape will become visible. 3. Move your mouse to the part of the line where you want to add a node. Click the left mouse button once to add a new node at that position. How to delete nodes. 1. Click and hold the left mouse button to select the shape where you want to delete nodes. 2. Click the Del Node function and all the nodes will appear on the shape. 3. Click and hold the left mouse button to select the nodes you want to delete. Once selected, right-click to confirm and the nodes will be removed. Both of these functions are great for fine-tuning your design or making modifications. You can also use these tools alongside the pen tool to further adjust the shape or style of your designs. And that's it! You've learned how to use the Add Node and Del Node functions to refine your shapes. Keep practicing and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on using XXOTO software. Thanks for watching.